Hello friends, this is Deepika from Nothing Wire, and today I am here at the launch of Motorola's Smart TVs. So Motorola launched Smart TVs in a amazing variety from 32 inches till 65 inches of television, and as you can see, this is the grand television behind me from Motorola. It has some amazing features like Dolby audio sound. So it has MEMC technology, Android 9 Pie. It has a BlazeX performance, which will give you amazing performance. You can do n number of other things as well, like play games. So it also comes with a wireless Android TV Gamepad here. It has Android 9 Pie as well. So the gaming experience on this TV is going to be another level, because we generally play games on our mobiles or on our PlayStations, but now you can just head to your TV as the remote is there along with it, and the graphics are very good according to the games. So friends, Motorola is here in the market in the festive season with the TV collection. Smart TV has been launched by Motorola, and it has features like some really premium features like Dolby Vision, MEMC technology, Android 9 Pie, and at the same time DTS TruSurround Sound, 30 watt of front firing speakers, and the best part with the TV is the wireless Android TV Gamepad. So this is how the wireless TV Gamepad looks like, and you do not need any other source of playing games. You can easily play games. It has GPU Mali on a high graphics, so you can play games very easily here. No need to play games on a PlayStation or so it has variety from 32 inches till 64 inches of TV, and it is huge and super thin. As you can see, it's so slim from here. I really loved how the TV looks like. And just check out the gaming experience here. The graphics are so good. So this is how the sound quality is. Surround sound is superb. Guys, this is a very quick look of the new Motorola Smart TVs, starting from 32 inches, from 13,999 till 65 inches, till which is the maximum price till 64,999. The sale starts on Flipkart from 29th of September. So that's it for this video. We'll be back soon with another tech bite. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Nothing Wire. Thank you and bye.